Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions and selecting the right channel. You need Manage Messages or the streaming role to save clips. Once done, position your window and choose whether you capture the whole screen or a single app. Use the built-in clip button on mobile or press Shift+X on desktop to record a short highlight. This ensures you get the exact moment. Make sure notifications are muted and overlays off, so your clip stays clean and focused on the action. Once you have a raw clip, click Edit to trim the start and end so the narrative is tight. You want the viewer hooked within the first second. Then add a short title and caption that describe the moment and pick a thumbnail if Discord offers it. This increases clicks. If the audio needs work, lower background tracks or mute system sounds to emphasize voice. Finally, preview your edits, because small timing fixes make the clip far more watchable. Now publish your clip. Choose a server channel, DM, or export it to your device. Make sure the channel allows attachments and that your privacy settings permit sharing, otherwise it will silently fail. Organize clips in a dedicated channel or pin the best ones so viewers can find them easily. If an upload or play error happens, check the file size and format, confirm you still have upload permission, and test your connection. Often a permission or bandwidth issue is.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.